I've been doing YouTube automation from over 5 years now, and in that time, YouTube has paid me thousands of dollars just from AdSense alone. But it doesn't stop there. I've had the opportunity to collaborate with brands and companies worth millions of dollars. And honestly, YouTube AdSense is just one of my income streams. My other revenue sources, which I'll share with you later, are actually much more lucrative. I now run multiple channels, and looking back, it's crazy to think about how far I've come from being a middle-class boy, completely lost and depressed, to building an empire and earning thousands of dollars every month from YouTube. But let's rewind to 4 years ago. At that time, I was struggling hard. I was trying to make something work on YouTube while also juggling gigs on Fiverr, hoping to land some orders. I had zero success, no orders, no views, no income, and I was completely depressed about where my life was heading. I doubted everything. It felt like I was stuck with no way out, just going in circles. There was hardly any information out there about YouTube automation, and back then, the gaming niche was exploding. So I decided to jump into that space. I used to upload tutorials on popular games, and I remember clearly the first video that gave me a glimmer of hope. It was a tutorial on Tekken 3. Shortly after, there was a trending horror game called Granny, so I uploaded a tutorial on that too. That video unexpectedly got 10,000 views, which was huge for me at the time. I felt like I had finally cracked the code, but then reality hit. My following videos flopped. No views, no engagement. I was crushed. I gave up on that channel thinking it was all over. For the next 2 years, I shifted my focus back to my studies, but I never stopped researching YouTube. I kept reading, learning, and absorbing everything I could. Fast forward to the rise of ChatGPT. It was everywhere. That's when I had a light bulb moment. I knew the timing was perfect to start a new channel. All the knowledge I had accumulated over those years, it was time to put it to use. I uploaded my first video on May 3rd, 2022, and to my shock, it blew up. It got 27,000 views. I was over the moon. I remember thinking, this is it. This is my breakthrough. So I kept going. 21 days later, I uploaded my second video, and guess what? That video crushed it too. 65,000 views. You can see the proof right here. With those two videos, I hit my 4,000 hours of watch time, and I applied for monetization. I wasn't sure what to expect, but within 24 hours, YouTube sent me an email confirming that my channel was monetized. It was a surreal moment. Everything started to fall into place after that. The money started coming in. I was making a decent income just from YouTube alone, and that gave me the confidence to double down. I decided to start a second channel, and on April 24th, 2023, I uploaded my first video on this new channel. Once again, I hit gold. That video got 29,332 views right out of the gate. I realized I had truly cracked the YouTube game. I became so good at making videos and going viral that I felt unstoppable. Just 3 days after that, I found a new trending topic and knew I had to act fast. I made a video on it and boom, it became the most viral video I had ever made. It hit 190,000 views. At that point, I knew I was onto something big. I was making thousands of dollars consistently. I remember the day I paid for my college tuition with my YouTube earnings. It was such a proud moment when I could finally tell my parents, I don't need any money from you. I became an expert at this. My focus shifted to finding even bigger viral topics, and then I struck gold again. I made a video on a topic that people were absolutely crazy about. That video exploded, reaching 386,500 views, and it didn't stop there. I started yet another channel, this time focused on e-commerce. That channel took off too, and because of that, I got the chance to work with some of the biggest names in the industry, million-dollar companies like CJ Dropshipping, among many others. In the past 4 years, I've worked with more than 25 brands and companies, all paying me thousands of dollars for collaborations. Running multiple channels and growing them from scratch has become second nature to me. I've even revived dead channels and turned them into revenue-generating machines, and now I'm here to help you do the same. Now, when it comes to YouTube automation, a lot of the people you see online claim they can teach you how to make money, but the truth is, most of them make their money not from YouTube automation. That's where I'm different. I've been in the trenches for 4 years, and I've tested and figured out what actually works. That's why I've launched my private community. In my community, you'll learn real, actionable strategies for making money from YouTube automation. I've been where you are. I was a beginner just 4 to 5 years ago. I went through all the struggles, the sleepless nights, and the self-doubt. I know what it's like, and I know what it takes to succeed. Join my private community by clicking the link below. Together, I'll guide you through this journey, helping you avoid the mistakes I made and showing you what truly works. Subscribe for more authentic, no-nonsense content. Let's build your YouTube empire, starting today.